Welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today I'm going to teach you how to make something that reminds me of my grandmother. It's called Kaak, and the closest I can explain to you, it's a bagel. We're going to start with flour, instant yeast, salt, sugar, milk and water. We're going to mix it for around 4 to 5 minutes. I've got my bench flour. I'm going to roll it out like a sausage. And then I'm going to cut it into 10 pieces. Take each piece and you roll it into around 20 centimeter sausage. Then I'm bringing both ends together and sealing them. Another way to do it is I'm going to roll it long, I'm going to cut it in half, then I'm going to seal it the top ways and I'm just going to braid it. And again, seal both ends. I have some sugar here in some hot water. I'm going to melt it. And then I'm adding it to the water here. I have around 500 milliliters. I'm going to take each kaak and I'm going to dunk it in the sugary water, and then it's going to go and be covered in the sesame seed. Repeat the process until all the dough is finished. Moving to a tray, these are going to bake in the oven 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Enjoy.